All right, welcome back, guys. Hey, I just want to do a quick little video. I just rebuilt this 1963 Plymouth Fury. It's a Johan kit I got from a buddy of mine, Jason. You know, nothing special about it. I changed the wheels and tires on it. I did the little chrome foil trick when you do the emblems. You know, you'll get the car all ready for primer, stick a square piece of chrome foil over the emblems, like where it says Plymouth up here, or Fury in the back, and go ahead and primer it, and then come back and very lightly just sand that primer off the top of those emblems, and then, you know, go ahead and paint it, and then come back and do the exact same thing with sanding off the paint off of them, and then clear coat them, and now you have your stock emblems, which I like to do on these older kits if I'm just going to build them and put them on the shelf. I don't spend a lot of time on these. I clean them up, I primer them, and usually change the stance and the wheels and tires and put a nice shiny paint job. The interiors, I rarely even do anything with those. They're not for show. They're just kind of have there up on the shelf. And that's what this car is right here. But I thought I'd share it with you. But more than wanting to share the car with you, as I was spray canning this, and you know I don't usually spray can stuff, it's usually airbrushed and candy apple this or metal flake that. It reminded me of being a little boy, about 4 or 5 years old. I was in my backyard, and you know, and where I lived, there you had your house on your street, then the backyard, then there was an alleyway in the back, and then on the street behind you, you know, it was the back of their house across that alleyway. Well, I heard that. You know, a spray can being shook. Now, at that age, I'd never heard that before. So, you know, as soon as I heard that, I darted across, or I darted to my back fence, and I looked across the alley, and there was a kid, you know, he must have been 10 years older than me, so he's probably 14, 15 years old. Well, he was shaking that can, and he had a model car body on a coat hanger bent up so the body would sit on it, and he'd put a coat of paint on it. He'd shake that can, paint it, put the can down, go into the house, come back out about 5 or 6 minutes later, shake that can again, and put another coat. And about the third time he shook that can and put a coat on there and went back in the house, I darted across that alleyway. I grabbed that can of paint, and I ran back to my house, and I've been painting cars ever since. Whoever that kid might have been, and I relayed this story to my sister not too long ago, and she says she remembers that kid, that she went to school with him. I'm sorry about that, man. I owe you a can of paint. But yeah, it opened up my world to painting, and that's all I've been doing for the last 50 years. So anyways, I just thought I'd share that story with you guys. My first awakening to some kind of automotive paint, whether it be on a model car or a real car. I just became nuts with painting throughout my life. And that's where it all started, with a spray can like this. But anyways, I thought I'd share it with you guys. Don't forget, I've got a new shop card, so if you want one, hit me up through my email. It's always in the description. Once again, they're always two-sided, so you get a little piece of artwork on the back. You get one of my built models on the front, and I'd love to send you one. If you guys like this kind of stuff, give me a sub if you would. Share it with your friends. Leave me a comment, and definitely hit that like button if you would. And I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, thanks. Bye.